My name is Shannon Kneep on behalf of Expert Village. I want to talk about repairing holes in sheetrock and hardboard. There's many times that you're going to need to repair holes. Somebody kicks through a wall, something gets damaged, and that's a pretty common occurrence because sheetrock in and of itself is not very strong. If it's on the studs, which are strong, but everywhere in between breaks through pretty easily. So what I'd like to talk about is the importance and all the different opportunities that you will have to repair sheetrock and how much it can actually save you. To have somebody come out for just a very small job can be very expensive because they still have to drive to the job, they still have to get out all their tools, so even if they only work for 30 minutes, it's still going to be kind of like half or at least a third day job to them, so that can be very expensive. The other way to look at it is do it yourself. And how do you do that? Well, it's pretty simple. You're going to use some basic tools and just basic knowledge of a sheetrock in general, and I'll show you how to not only patch the hole, but also how to smooth it out and make it look right.